Komo enkomo na ye bedi no wo etifia asem no a matudi no Allah the all knowing God but no eho na asem ne wo em say ye the message bi aba na ye obotaye ye mbotaye a ye ekuta ya na se ye nani suade hu ni say ye pese ye yi the concept of God edi ye nyan free ye trim nyankopon de eye gidie ena obi a gidi se owo ho obi ahu ni da obi ante ne nkada ye wo Africa ena Arabs ebra ye sombi ebe kremu se nyankopon na ye nimu no nyankopon na ye nananom esusu se owo ho no wo pie omumayimu abetusu abrantie bi wo manimu ayidi se wiase nyina ekandifuo wade asema mane se won family wiase nyina enti yen ganafo yenso yedie nie yensom ena omode som ne bre ye omode som ne ba ye no asem no anyankopon ne de ma ne komhyeni no embre bi ya atwam no asem no ya kire de wo bukum ena de ama yen enti semedie di se buku no firi nyankopon bi ho a e wo se buku no mehwehwem na mehwe nyankopon no ni subi ne ban bi ne yeye bi a e wo buku nim eno ne bema manye nyina so bi ade di se wei die e ye nyankopon bi a em se ye nyina ye nim no no nyemom se mehwehwe buku nim nese maadwini bumi fo wo buku no ho a eni kwan se megitum se efri nyankopon bia minimum no ho after all nyankopon no maintain nkanda nyankopon no mihu ni da wona wo se wo hu no ena wo de ne ho asem bre me se odi asem ne ba na asem no mekenkai anan mehwehwe asem ni mo na ene adwene no a ono obo ade ne di tu mitiri mo no entalia e wo se mi hunu se buku ni mfiri sa oba ade no se de wo kan buku no ye frɛ ne Qur'ana eye enkremofo e buku a eno na elidi wo mo de wo makonkwagie mu no ana se eno so no wo mu gina ya wo mu di se komhyeni bi aba na nsɛm no wo buku ni mu no efiri nyankopon bi ho no sa nsɛm no so na ye begina buku na kremu asem bi se nyankopon no a wogu sa Qur'an ni mu no waye the all knowing God yakase obi ye all knowing na I hope say oti ase woni bibia okay according to some hadith Qur'an it say abofra ye be wo no a ye ba be wo abofra Bible Quran can wasam say from moja from your friend say we nsuo na wabedani moja from moja bra emfayin kosia hadith ni nsu kire mu say abra wo beba beto wo na ye mo no unya 40 days ya Allah esoma ne bofo e ma ne ba edi wani wonan wonsa okon uti wano baby e wo se tuatua bia no wadi betuatua Owiya na watwere wo hu watwere ye frɛ ne sɛ wo future sɛ wo bɛyɛ kromfo sɛ wo nyɛ kromfo sɛ wo bedi awu sɛ wo ni awu sɛ wo bɛyɛ gay sɛ wo nyɛ gay sɛ tese suni ban bia na wasa wo de tena asase so no wo bɛyɛ oba wo nyɛ oba ni nyina no bofo no na be decide Allah bɛma bofo na be decide ni nyina wo wia na watwere ni nyina no wo de ato ho enti 40 days no ya kire wusu ne wo ban ni ya ya wo ba asase so a wo beye no dada e wo buku ne mu de ato ho enti wo ba asase so a e script ne ya kire e na wo be fulfill so Allah knows everything from the beginning ya de abofra na to yam e de call wiye according to Quran surah 29 ayat number 9 no surah 3 rather yeni kan hwe surah 3 Epa chomeba mame biye mo radi Okay, o de yeni kan hwe sura 20 Sura 29:62 yeni kan hwe no ansa. Sura 29:62. Mama from 361 was say, if you ask them who created the heavens and the earth and subjected the sun and the moon, they will surely say Allah. Then how are they deluded? Okay, Allah extends provision for whom he was of a servant and restrict for him. Indeed, Allah is of all things knowing. Allah is of all things knowing. Allah enim adie nyina. Yakase obiye all things knowing. Nature say there is nothing ebetumi ehinta no. Okay? Bibi biara ni wa ebetumi ehinta Allah. Esan say Allah, the heavens and the earth, ono na create ye. Ono na edi ewiase so. Emu nipa nyina hye nase. Ono na bomu nipa bo mu nimu bibia. Enti ni ebesi bia na wono Allah ni nim dada. He is all knowing God. So, Same kenkai book we na me koshia this particular verse. Quran Surah 29 ayat number 62. Na kire me say Allah is of all things knowing. Allah ni muade nyina. Na say kire me kokoshia another verse a kire me say Allah enim ade nyina. Na wo pese wo kire me say book we no eye nyankopon bia no mu asem ana say eye nipa ba ko bia no mu asem. Ana say eye nipa ba ku bia den ye de tre nti wo se me di akire. Allah is of all things knowing. Onimade nyina nanso be ho asem na me ka no me kire ho. Ekwan se na ya na ye pese ye nuanom a ekuta asom ahoduo mu no. Omo be fa so dia judge omo books no a ekuta omo no omo di tu anamon no. Ya no ne de yaye ya adresi ya behwehwe na ya hunu esense yaye ya adresi ya behwehwe na ya hunu ninti ya hwehwe nso a ya hunu but wo kramoni ne nya wa adresi wo behwehwe mistakes ewom na wo hunu na wo tu anamo a ebeboa ono wonya wa adresi ninti uhunu uhia no na say ya mistake kura no a omfa wo be koma lambi nchen ama na dane no anase wa trust ne de amount. Samo ba se ni ya kasa ya na mu ye se ya bodam. Quran Surah 329 yenti asembi wo. Surah 3 ayat number 29. Maybe free 28 was say, let not believers take disbelievers as allies rather than believers, and whoever of you does that has nothing to do with Allah except when taking precaution against them in prudence, and Allah wants you of himself, and to Allah is the final destination. Okay, 29 say, whether you conceal what is in your breast or reveal it, Allah knows it, and he knows that which is in the heavens and that which is on the earth. And Allah is over all things competent. So even enipa ya yedi besie yankoma mumpo no, Allah knows it. Ade no wodi asie wakoma mu a onka ma abontene, he knows it. He knows everything within the earth and the heavens. Even dia yedi sie wo yakoma mumpo ayemie ya no nka ya no, Allah anim. Excellent. He is all-knowing God. Nyankopon a onimu bibia ya ho asam na ye kan. E pa ta wati ase. So, enketo asumu se buku ni baba be ka kire yen se Nyankopon no a obo so ni asase no eba Saudi Arabia ebe chusu komsheni bi wo ho no. waka kyerɛ sɛ wonimu ade nyinaa yɛngidie no yɛgidi sɛ ewiase no ɛyɛ den ananse ebia because yɛbɛtoy ɛyɛ obi na yɛyɛ enti ebia ɛyɛ obi na yɛyɛ enti no ama yɛnya gidie bi sɛ tumi kɛseɛ bi wɔ hɔ a ɔno na wiase wɔyɛyɛ enti sɛ tumi no wodi asɛm hyɛ na no na wo twira fa ne ho sɛ wonimu ade nyinaa enka ɛyɛ perfect wunya mistake bia ne pacha what ya say because said ye wasi hunu kwan a wode soro no esinsen ho ahwe nkura mu a entingu nipa so asase sinsen ho ahwe nkura mu a enye oponiye ma waso nyina entin tofom wode nua tintin so na ensuo tumi firi asase mu ba na kyese wonimu ade nyina bibia ni wo woyɛ ya woyɛ mistake Nyame we hu asam ne ye ka no enti se book no kremu say no enanka everything about Allah all knowing and we will not have any single doubt in this Allah or any single doubt in the Quran. But here is the case. Allah wo book we mu no omo di book ni bre ye no ema yen some verses e kire say this Allah is all-knowing God, but Obonipa ebe so ye. This is the question. Obonipa, the nipa na obo aye no, oma ye niama mienu, oma ye nkwa, ena oma ye guo. Botaya wode nkwa ma ye ne se. Wode nkwa ni be so ye nhwe. Enkwan wade nkwan so yehwe na wo hunu yensu ni ebanya tie mu a na wo kun yai wade owuo no abefa yeko. So how can I believe this book said the God in this book is all-knowing God? You created me. Ewo me ma me yam ena wo de me toy. Me nya 40 days. Sa hadisi no wo ye kremoniam ye nkotu nkyere obi mu. Minya 40 days and I was suma angel ema ne bai ebe tira me ho asem me destiny me kasa meka ma me ne papa ebe wo me and ye no wadi ka hyehyɛ ndada me kasa meka abrabo amebo se me ye kromfo se me ye udini watire ni nyina dada uwie ya na wasa ba beka ni wo Quran mu say who created life and death to test human being to know which of them is the best. This doesn't sound well. According to Quran 67, 1 and 2. According to Quran Surah 67, ayat number 1 and 2. Yenti asembi ho. Or say, blessed is he in whose hand is dominion, and he is over all things competent. He who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed, and he is the exalted in might and forgiving. Misisubiem, Ebia Wante, Quran Surah 67, ayat number 1 and 2. It says, blessed is he in whose hands is dominion, and he is over all things competent. He who created death and life to test you, to test you as to which of you is best indeed. Tienie, he who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed, and he is exalted in might, the forgiving. So, Mia, according to Hadith, mebeda amen na yem no, Allah kuro ya suma abofo ma ne ba amen na yem. Ebe tro me ho asem nyina, edi book no koma Allah. Ni wura fi say, wanu na de me destiny ya hye me nsem. Owie ya, Wa say ka kire me say de ntia obo me ma me ba asase so no. Wa de nkwa ma me adi wuo tu manim. Esense onim me daache anase onim nipa yensu owo yemunti. Obo ye adi nkwa ne ma ya de beteste ye. Wo hunu yemuni ye wo ye papa wo wi a na wadi owuo na befa ye ko. Do you get my point? Or creating life and death to test human being to see which of us is the best. Yemu wan na ye nipatenene, yemu wan na ye ebetumi abo abrabopa, meaning say once you were in your mother's womb no, na Allah nimu say you will be a righteous person unless yawo na odi nkwani mawo na obene na masasi so na se obene na ma wa brabo na wo bo no eno na bema Allah no hunu se weye ni papa weye ni pabone weye ni papa weye ni pabone enti later no what testimony we na wo hunu de oye papa ye bone a wo wi a na wo kumo. This is what the verse is saying. So se mi wie na se another verse ka kire me say Allah is all knowing. Bra. Na ma dia asem wo yadi. Me busa question we. Yimi ano. Eye asem a eye question a Abraham bi mushe ya wata busa. Wo say wo a wo tie me no. Se wonim say what to plot was and your friend say Kaneshi. What to plot to Kaneshi? And I was sit down, a dine ubesie no, auto plot to unim. The abesie, uta bros, mercy for si dying. The abesie na unim. Na unim say a dine a wusie no, usia. Obewo yere, obewo masori, obeware wo yere. Na wone na wo mama ako 5. San kurano wo mu onwu biem ankurane wo mu wi a wone wo ma 5 no da kuru mu hwefie edan ni bebu ogum so ma na kumu nyina me pa chawo edan ni wo besi ana winsi nyansafo be ka tire mi se mi nsi because adia me hunu say me si da na bebu okum me ne me yire ne me mba no I will never try it. I will never put this put it into test because I know for sure say it will happen. So I will never put it into test. But here is the case. Allah say, "Oh, ye all knowing, all wise, all powerful." This same Allah created human beings. When we are now the life and death, just to test us and see which of us is the best. Do you get me? Wo kraboni na nkasa na wo tie me no mi busa wo. Eto wasum. According to Quran, enye life and death nko na Allah di testi nipa o. Enunti na wasama ye different faith, different religion in this world. According to the Quran, just to test mankind and see which of them is the best. What the life and death to yanim. Amen. When we are now wasabe creating different thousands upon thousands of religion just to test us and see which of us is the best. O say, according to the Quran, Islam want to know. Now one fra komsheni Muhammad say wa your last prophet. Now one fra Allah say one na ye nyame obo osoro yansase no. Your deeds will never be accepted on judgment day. Awiye mere no woni ye bia nso Allah ni. But according to Quran, make go to the achero. He gave us all this faith just to test us which of them or which of us. And you created me, of course. You know me from the beginning of the creation. You know how I will make me unim senia mabra bono mebona fa wana wo ya we se mere bi beduru meba betena ha be condemn book no, but you created me. No we say sansem no oka ne wo book ni mu nyina ya atoro wo wie ya ni sanse wonim dia me da ache dia meye abraba amebo se meye ni patrene se meye ni papanti ena wo ma me what is called life and death, just to test me. According to Quran Surah 67 ayat number 2 was say he who created death and life to test you as to which of you is best indeed, and he is the exalted in might. Quran 47:31. Quran 47:31. I mean from 3:30 mira. Was it and if we would Allah the only one using the word we. We are no more the say we know a majestical we. Was it and if we willed, we could show them to you, and you will know them by their mark, but you will surely know them by the tone of their speech, and Allah knows your deeds. And Allah knows your deeds. And Allah knows your deeds. Meaning say Allah enim nipa bia na yeye. Tie 32. And we will surely test you until we make evidence those who strive among you for the cause of Allah and patient, and we will test your affair. Allah knows your deeds. But what you we ya obesa atteste wo na wo hunu mu a mu be gina dia ma ono Allah, the all knowing, owia wase me sa so wa hwe na se ni so hwe no wo be feli a wonim dada, wo be pass a wonim dada, so se wonim se wo so hwe na wo be feli a se nyame no o so wa ha mo wa feli no de wa kobo nsam gem ana se wo so wa ha mo wa feli no wa ye odan se wonim se wo so hwe na wo be pass a ani na wo so wa ha ye den. You understand? Ye ko school ye ma ye exams final year because a teacher for ni nim se class wono ni e wono ne kura no ye subject ye class work wo 100/100 no wo mu nim se e bia okuta apo wo ho ana wo nkuta apo enti ye se omu be wie school na the final year no ye nya wo mo exams. Now which of them is the best, because the teachers don't know future and they are aware of what is going on. This is Allah, the all-knowing, all-wise, all-intelligent, testing mankind to see which of them is the best. You get me? Still I want to see. Still I na ya wadwene mo nan. Me say wo wuni mu say anapai wo suma wo ba no. Wuni ani pia bontene ne ka be ko akobo na menawu a. Wo be suma wo ba no. Ana wuni ana wo be suma no. On suma no. Wo pia bontene na ni wuni mu say kwa me ko ne police be ko akoche me a. Wo be test wo ho ahwa na say wo be tena fie, you will stay back at home. But Allah say, I know say when you no kwafo na nso mesa so wahwe. So ne nso hwe no oso wahwe amwo akosa yiem ana wako nkwam. asemu abusuafo. This is the God that ye ton de ma ye no. When ni nyame a ye born oka millions over millions. Ekotwa ne wo hia wo Saudi Arabia nyame a wo hye buom. Nyame a wo tefa akon a ontumi nko ba bia wo no de Uba ne ho uko Saudi Arabia ho mpo a bia wo tie no ehwa na wo sa uba ewo se ubetwa ne ho hia anya sa wa makora nkaye se nyame ne ye ton ma ye no nyame a oye all knowing. He knows from the beginning to the end. This same God created life and death to test mankind. How can this God be all knowing? Metumi enyan chirechire mu bi a ebe mate verse wo yase ana wa wutie me mi busa wo metumi enyan chirechire mu bi a ebe tumi amate verse wo yase Allah enebo me according to mudidie no watete form no tie na wodi aboni pe spiritual wo wi anu wodi wa be hye na yem wo spiritual na afa enokura no according to Quran na Quran no enya de se ye do be hye na yem ye do be kwa hye wo papa ntohwewom na wakoda ni nsuo wo furu papa ntohwewo nim abewura wo maame awotwa nim na emoja behia moja ni behia wo bedani moja toa no bra na ekonti kwan nipa fatefo mi nyina alanim. He knows everything, but at the end of the moja toa no nipa ne be pie mo no Allah don't know what he or she will do in the future. So the best Allah can do ni say I was say we creating life and death to test you. What the life on the man wa ehono na wode be hwe wusu ne wo ban ni yaya obeye abraba obebo su a obedan na die ansa na wotra sise ya wo chense gurubu no wose akra wo ya membo no onye papa ene oba aha na mde ne beko na mintwa ne nkona so what you say atise wo oba na oba no opese hu se oba ni muade opese hu se akora no adwene bi ye dani tirimo ode baaye no eye adwuma wodi ne koto adwumam ana wodi ne ko school sabi ebe ya owie suku a wo be hunu se a meben ampa adwene ye da wutirimo ne so sabi ebe ya opon no wo adwuma mu a adwuma na wo beye ne ba mu wo hunu se akora no na adwene na dani tirimo ne so because unnimu akora ne daache Allah no awonu ninim ye ndaache no wo bo ye wie ye no aya wo ye ba asasi satam ni nya life ye de na yam no kura de ko wonim se ye maami be yiegu woni ye wonim se ukwo wo ye wo be wu ye wo nwuo wonim gisa ye wo be dura asasi so wa bra bonu a wo bono enum na Allah be hwe akase Allah ma bon kwase nipa bia ba asase so sa kwa we de na brabo de kuta ne sankofa na nanim tantantan no na brabo de kuta ne nye ma mi ntwale nkwa na so mfa ne nkoto baabi na daachi bi makohye no etise de wakokurom na wokoto phone ene okwa yetime de iPhone kirewo na ya ma price fo wani age obeje iPhone na obeduru fie no na ya bobon konkonte ne hwem ana asamena eduru ade na wo ye esan se ya de ne ma wo na wonimu de wo munti ukoduru fie na se ye samena na hwem a ubeyi adare a wayi adare san se de iPhone be ye no nya sa na samena be ye sa na ala ate ala nimu da ache enti de me sune me ban ya me wo mu no esan se obo me from the beginning na onimunti e was say was steady me e koduru baabi ne wo hunu mabrabo no se me ye papa ansa na akire wodi wuo abetwa me nkwana so na wo hunu se aha ena nipa o ya me bo no me de ne ko This is Allah. And you tell me say nyame ya ogugu nwoma we mu no wone ne bo soro ne asase no sa na afesa wo tell me nyame na ogugu nwoma we mu no nyame no a ogugu nwoma we mu no sa wone bo soro ne asase na enkani pe do so asase so ne ka asase na buya gum because that code anyame na gugu buku ni mu no ninim de wo mu nim da ache wo mu nim de awieye no beko akoduru enti nka asase a yetisuo ni nka buya gum dadada na nipa bo gisa wudi wuo ene nkwa na test ne hwe na asase a yetisuo nka mu ye mu enipa over billions e wa asase isuo no anka asase simu ayeduru ena nimudefo adoso a inventions akese aba asase so nka asase ye mu. Forget about Allah. He can never be the creator, and he is not the creator. Never and ever in his life will be a creator. Because he knows nothing. He knows nothing. What the body a question from? Na body na what the question from no. When you say a year no, body no end to me, and so be an ma uni a me pacha. Wo be so body the free kwa tenten abra ho akodua body no. There be. What the body na question from? Na wa hwe say body na ebe so anase enso san say wonnim body na wieye. Enti wo de ne question from a na wadodo no ho wajindam no ho wamani nsuo nia wobeye bia wobetumi bia no wobeye na afa wajai body ani suban ma no ne wa hwese wobeso ana wonso woso wobeso body ana wobeso kwadu aduane a wobeso no ye betumi adi ana wentumi ni unnim body na wieye body enya na obo we kura wo ha mi papa wo ha mi pa Jova pronto sì ti chiamo dopo, sto facendo un programma su Facebook, per favore, ti chiamo dopo. Mi piace ottimi asie. En sebo American jani yo na timi yie ati se de wawo ba na oba no wonim se daache akra mbeba ba ye kronfo wabo akra no ka e de na ko school from primary to JHS uwi ya wode na ko SSS e de na ko university akra ni wie university no wabeda ne kronfo enti wonim se na wode oba ni ko school amena beda ne kronfo anka bebo no ka se oba no wonim se wodi ni ko school akase no obawie no eye mate ni obeba bedi a enka akora ni wie je sesa wo hunu ni diretwe no nka wanfa na nkodi mate wonim da chinti e wo se emera ni ko nanim no suba bi akora ni beda na di no e na obehunu se usika na wotugu ye na ebeso abrabo pa ebeso abapa anase beso ababone esense wonim da chin Allah se wonim da chin o Argentina will create life and death to test mankind to see which of us is the best. So, Allah knows everything. He is all things competent. So I'm asking, sir, why did Allah create life and death just to test us? It doesn't make sense. Allah don't know any future. He don't know anything. He is not all-knowing. He is not of all things competent. That is a false statement. Se ekoba se u inventi nyame na u kasese nyame na no a wei ena edeba yensa nkohwa de e wokro ensula Surah 548 yen hwa de bi ho Quran Surah 5 ayat number 48 tie Surah 548. Midibe 347. Man 347. Was say, and let the people of the gospel judge by what Allah has revealed therein. And whoever does not judge by what Allah has revealed, then it is those who are defiantly disobedient. 48. And we have revealed to you, O Muhammad, the book in truth, confirming that which proceeded it of the scriptures and as a criterion over it. So judge between them by what Allah has revealed, and do not follow their inclination away from what has come to you of the truth. To each of you we prescribe a law and a method. Had Allah willed, he would have made you one nation, united in religion, but he intended to test you in what he has given you. So raise to all that is good. To Allah is your return altogether, and he will then inform you concerning that over which you used to differ. So, what is a Jew for anybody in China? On country Jew for the say, book no Allah de ma. There are truth in it. So that Muhammad he should judge them by the law Allah edema omo. And Muhammad and his people should be judged by the Quran, because each and every nation biano wamana a law asam merano e wose eyesa oman ni mu aduma anase osom ni mu aduma senka eye ne pa enka wobeka wo mu nyina boma yomo baako esanse ompese obeka ye nyina boma ye baako nti ena oma obia ne som ene obia ne mera, just to test us. So he gave us all this faith to test us. This is typically wrong. And now we're talking about Quran Surah 9, ayat number 1 coming down. What you can in Nanesi, Neti law Allah Edema Commissioni Muhammad, Emma Netia Wobuku Nim. Aditia Omonji the Quran Nimie. But according to Quran Surah 5, ayat number 48, Allah said, to every nation or to every religion, wa prescribe a law the amano. So those people in that religion must be judged by the law given to them by Allah. Senka eyadipa enka obema nipa nyina na se wiase nyina osom baako amia beye baako esense ompese obema ye som baako amaye nya mmara baako nti ena oma ye som ahodo bebre na oma ye mmara bebre just to test us. Allah is not all knowing. Baby eye all knowing in the Quran bia muntwam. Baby in the Quran ekremu say Allah is all knowing bia cancel no. Me recommend mo. I dare you guys say everywhere in the Quran yet Allah is all knowing bia cancel no, because he is not all knowing. Wama ye different types of faith, different divisions in the world, just to test us. He is testing us with different faiths. He has given us a lot of laws, different laws. A different law for the Christians, different law for the Jews, different law for the Muslims. Then later when we are now assassin kremofo say if the Jews and the Christians are accepted osomonoa, kill them wherever you find them. Brah, you call this God all knowing because jidiana wadiba bebrebe no. What trans we again was medin some phone. Me dika edi Jew some by. Now we say Jew so many yen some phone. Okay, any mammy to me near me ye. Now men for Jesus mera. na ono nso fa som foforo bra na Jesus nso ba e ono nso de som foforo ba ye ala ne tena se na o se na me kora nkwase asem be ni medie ma me nya Jesus som ne nto na me nsan konko fa nkremo som mfamara en wo de nkremo som ba ye o wiye ye en wo sa ka kire komchani Muhammad said the Jews and the Christians and tell them to go by the law given to them by Allah. They have some laws in their books. They should abide with that law. And you, Muhammad, and your people should also abide with the law in the Quran. Because it is not his will. That is why I want one faith. What intention be? Anything you want a different faith. That intention, and he said, he don't know future. He don't know which of the religion will lead people to honor Allah. So, abide by the rules in your book. Abide by the rules in your religion. At the end, you will all gather in front of him. Do you know why? Because he is not going to judge you he's not going to judge you based on your religion. He is going to judge you based on your life. Esense wa braba obono Allah ni wonni munti. Wonni mo dia daachi bi abekwa ko wienti. Ani wo ma life and death. Wo wi na life and death no kura anya enough. And wo say ma a different faith with different laws. Wo wi ye no wo ka kire yen say what the way no mama yen just to test us. And you are telling me, say, Allah is all-knowing. Forget. Forget, my brother, forget. Why? Me say, the baby biara ube shia Qur'ana. Yatra Allah is all-knowing. Allah is of all things competent, of all things knowing. Cancel no, because Allah will nimwe. He even don't know what will happen tomorrow. Obia wonum die besi china. Den wonim die besi daache. Sample kwai katra o say, "Ugu a obeko kuro bi afra ne heaven." And you've believed it. Book way a katra o say daache bi ugu a ye benya ne. Obia wonim die besi china. Mpo so wonni mu die besi tena abra wo koda nnelo ewo wutiri mu se ochena wo sole a wo be pie akọ supermarket bi ana shopping mall bi akodiga na sanse wonni mu se supermarket na nanse shopping mall na wo be ko no okọ a police beko akochew anaka beko akobo unnimu nti adechi awo beko. But me ye sure I know say unnimu say adechi na ko supermarket wana shopping mall na police beko akochew ana say ka beko akobo wo amepa achew onko. Se funny face na woni say that very day opia montene na police fo beko akoche na bono ama bro na ye bebu no beko akopie court. Ama yed na ko psychiatric hospital me pa chon ka da na de chinye nka wompie esan say onye all knowing. Allah say we all knowing there na enso wa ma ye different faith, different laws, different religions just to test us. Hey bra, asum we na ya ton ma no. So we are there. Rasta mechiao. Oba pecha medasi. So we are there. Minim so we are where. What am mama last verse? Mama last verse na fe mi wia. Mi me kwan ntum. Ana me mfa manusi. Ye hwe ko hansura 3. Surah 3 185. Surah 3 185. Surah 3 185. No, 186. Okay, nti wo de mame mfam free 85 185 surah 3 185 to 186. Or see, every soul will taste death, and you will only be given your full compensation on the day of resurrection. So he who is drawn away from the fire and admitted to paradise has attained his desires. And what is the life of the world except the enjoyment of delusion? 186. Allah is connection my rasasu. 186. You will surely be tested. You will surely be tested in your possessions and in yourselves. And you will surely hear from those who were given the scriptures before you, and from those who associate others with Allah. Much abuse. But if you are patient and fear Allah, indeed that is of the matters worthy of determination. Monu baby osade en so hwe ni ba akokọ hye. Wasi even wajapade mpa wode ama wo. Wode ajapade re so wa. Owia wujidie na kuta wo no. Wobeyi wa sha abosomfo nsa. Wobeyi wa sha Kristofo nsa ama wo ma abuse you. Ni nyina na ye test. Brae ni bisa wo wanimu wadawro ni bisa se Allah e test wo na se o failia na se wado kotobo nsam demu a eya o fault anase eya Allah fault. E pa cha mi bisa wo se o test wo na o failia eye Allah fault anase eye wo fault. Why should Allah test you in the first place? That is the question. Ciao. Why should Allah test you in the first place? He knows say abosomfo ba so a ubetumi wo mo dada. He knows say ejapade na wode ama ono entimi nyi wo hwi ase dada. So if he knows everything, he knows all these things, why should he test you? Because he don't know say even ejapade ni mpa wode ama ono, it will lead you to become kafiri onim. So through that no wodi be hunu say there be ade ya bedi ama no e de be ko bonsam gemu. Yama yani na ho me say ya ton nyame a oni ho na de ama ye me na me ka kire mo nyame a oni ho ene ya ton na de ama mo nyame a eye wo bi botom nyame nyame a eye wo bi fie nyame nyame a eye oman bi mu nyame ene ya ton na de ama wo. Allah woni Ghana, Allah woni wiase nyina, even in Saudi Arabia mpono woni kroni mu nyina. Enu ntina Saudi Arabia ho no ukọ ha e wase ukọ buo no na wakochia no. Ma woni na ho. Allah is not of all knowing. Allah is not of all things competent. He is not all knowing, he is not all wise. If Allah is all knowing and all wise, then why test? If Allah knows everything, why test? Why test? That is my question. Edienti na ye nsohwe. Ye nsohwe because ye nimu de awie ye ne bekọ akoduru. Enti na ye nsohwe no. Ye nsohwe because ye nimu de daache bi ebeko akosi yeye nsohwe because the yeye ho nsohwe no ye nim de obedi nkunim enti ne yeye nsohwe enti mi busa ala wodi agidi ahodo yeye nsohwe esense wonim gidie nim de obedi nkunim wodi ajapade yeye nsohwe because wonim de ajapade no de obetum yenya de adi nkunim wodi wuo ene nkwa eso ye nhwe because wonim de wo asomasi wo kwaku menu ne ya mensa ya preko wonim brabo abo bebo enti wo se wode usi wo na wo bo bra no a ne se wa brabo na wo bo no wo hunu se wo bo abrabo fon a wo kun na wode wakosie da achi bi wode wakoto bo nsam gem ma men kan kire wo no nam ho no e ma ne ya wa dwen say because you are Muslim ti if there is heaven na wo ko bio Allah nankasa wonim suma beba ne nchen I tell you the fact wonim suma edi nipa beba ne nchen yo Allah nim suma edi nipa beba ne nchen wakani wo jifuo buku mu say jifuo no ye ne ma wo mo beba ne nchen in Bible in your friends in Christianity wakani wo mu say obi biara obefa Yesu Kristo so na wadi na die no obeba heaven wo wieye wo se wo wansanye Muhammad antum na wanye your friend say wono Allah antum na wanye nkremosum ne ntuwa ni say eye som papa no wonko heaven enti omo mbaje nkremosum na tum no na be ko heaven enti wono Allah na nkasa no we confused guy already because onim which of this faith will lead people to him onim what you say according to Quran surah 548 na me kan ye no se wan tie ni ya ma men sense so bia mu fama Allah nim gidie ni mu de adi nipa beba ni ncha yo of course wo ya kremonia o kenkai Quran no a ebeka to say it is only the Quran it is only Islam and Allah choose wo sana wo kremoni ni so Kristo ni hu se wayera because according to the Bible the New Testament ni awani Yesu Kristo ni woni ni soli anie no na wani Yesu Kristo ani se wo ye nyame no obekọ bu nsam jem enti a Kristo for so ere wo mani da so according to Jew for so wo nso wo mu didie according to yeye bo sonson for so Yesu ewu didie Yesu ya didi se ya ne ebekọ ala ne nchai because most one the boss asase enti wono ala na nkasa no we confuse God already. He don't know which of this faith will lead people to him. So what we are follow the law. And after all, after the law, no, munyina mo beba be hia nanim na obumu atan. E hono na wo be hunu de adi nipa be konkwadiem. Enyama mane nya wadene say Islam na wudi ache na de wo konkwadiem tie. Said wo sikan no. Quran surah 5 ayat number 48. Tie ni ye say ye kan na wonte a tie ni ye. Entro ni yetwa no wate me dia me ka kire ala na nkasa no tro ye nanum ma tro na ye nanum ma ntina ontumi ma ye esom ba akono etro aye nanum ma nti ana wontumi ma ye som ba akono etro aye nanum ma nti ni wontumi ma ye gidie ba akono etro aye nanum ma nti na wontumi ma ye enwoma ba akono etro aye nanum ma nti ana wontumi ma ye emmera ba ako sani panyina ani so na sa mera we die wo busu a wo be kogye mu no atoro ayi na numu manti e na wantumi anya bia mayen yentie wo say Quran surah 5 ayat number 48 and we have revealed to you O Muhammad the book in truth Muhammad book na ya yedi ama no ya dan na didi ama no ya dan na di wono kurem ene de ama confirming that which proceeded eight of the scriptures edi ba be confirming book odi na nimu no a ya friend scripture no e be confirming no and as a criterion over it so judge between them by what Allah has revealed and do not follow their inclination away from that from what has come to you of the truth enti Muhammad book no a scriptures no book no a Quran a ye review in truth to the amount Safasa book ni mienu ni bu atan hweye na wa ni wo mo akonochi anase wa ni omo pechi e pacha wate ase esense omo kuta mara foforo scriptures no Bible no ekuta different law the Quran also ekuta different law so Muhammad because we have given you the Quran okay judge your people with the Quran because we have given those the Jews and the Christians the Torah and the Injil let them judge themselves by the Torah and the Injil Ambrose what me chiao be pata what yase entino se wo bu wani ku enwoma na yayi a kire wo no so na se wo kodi wo mu buku na chi a wo be ya ade a me ala me mpe the same ala kro ya nso na de nwoma yi ma Jew fo ne e Christopher no but wo wie sa ka kire komchani Muhammad se buku no amediama the Jews and the Christians no wodi wo mo chi a wo be ya ade a me mpe the confused guy ever whatever am chiao the confused God ever yentu asway was saying so judge between them by what Allah has revealed and do not follow their inclination away from what has come to you of the truth to each of you we prescribed a law and a method to each of you the Muslims the Christians the Jews we have prescribed a law and a method for each of you so because of say me ye Ghana ni na ye katre me say me ade a enye no e wo me mani mo no ya to bi dini say gay and say lesbian ti madiatum e ba me mamu amen so but say me bedu Italy na say Italy mra say wadi gay ni lesbian atumo a me nkoka sentia because each of us in obia wa the law so according to Allah the Christians the Jews and the Muslims each of them were prescribed a law and a method for them so each of them should be judged by the law and the method he have given to them so this confused Allah even don't know which of the religion will lead people to him because the Jews believe they will go to heaven the Christians believe they will go to heaven the Muslims believe they will go to heaven obeka no hanu otie ahano asemo obeka to aso be mu onu ise you being a Muslim doesn't grant you heaven you being a Jew or your friend say a Christian and grant you heaven no tie said wo sika no yento aso what say to each of you we prescribed a law and a method had Allah word he would have made you one nation say Allah pa and kobeye mo man bako united in religion say Allah pa kobeye mo man bako na wo mamu osom bako a ebeka mo abom tio menua dofo a wu tie sa asem we no eya ofansam a ye ka no mane mfuro nko adwene mu ha sei e mane ntena akomanim seye ala pa enka wo ye o man baako na wo ma ye nyina osom baako esanse enye ne pe na wonnim esom kura ede ye beba nkwagie mu nti ene wo ma ye Jew o ma ye Christians wo ma ye Buddhist Hinduism Shintoism yaya bosomfo nso ye nenamu ankramofo nso osombo nso nenamu why yentu aswe was it but he intend to test you in what he has given you misisubiem was it but he intended to test you in what he has given you but he intended to test you by what he has given you. He intended to test you with the Quran, just following the Quran, just following the Bible. He intends to test them by the Bible, just following the Torah. He intends to test them with the Torah because he don't know which of this religion will lead you to heaven. Allah don't know. If he knows, and kawama yesombako, and yesebia, and never and wama yentichemuno. Sasa no okan and monfa red pen cancel. And yesebia and yanipo name he don't know. On person of a catcher also with him. And you can say, if he were sir, and kawaye or my bako. But the truth is, he don't know. So I was saying, what a different religion. Then, which of this religious law will lead people to him? But he intended to test you in what he has given you. So raise to all that is good. So raise to all that is good. Enti botaya ode asem emera buku ahodoɔ asoma ahodoɔ de ma ye ni nyina ne sɛ ni nyina mo no de wɔhwɛ no ɛyɛ tenene anase abrabo pa ɛno na wɔno ala ɛhwɛ ɛnyɛ wosom me nua kremoni ɛnyɛ wosom enti munya saa mo nsɛm na ya na mo ka sɛ apart from Islam there is no truth to religion in this world. So meaning you don't read your Quran. So raise to all that is good. Until wamaye Judaism, wamaye Christianity, wamaye Islam. Enya Islam no sun wo bedina bu waten. Enya Judaism no sun wo bedina bu waten. Enya Jew no so Judaism no sun wo bedina bu waten. Nemo no eye wa bra bono wa obono ono ana de soma hodo ne ma yan na wo ma ye mmara hodo enti mmara hodo ni mu no eno so no obegina de abu atan enya wo som. So Islam can be false as Christianity. Islam can be false as well a check ye e betimi aye false maybe e wa adwene mu ni amwo mu say Islam betimi aye he Sankwadiye bi wo hoda ache a emfa ho nto Islam nkon ase o na Allah no amu ankasa no wanim suma e ba nanimu wa bra ba ho bo no eduntina according to Quran surah 3 or 29:62 no was it was born life and death just to test us. So the life and death now were born ya wode ma ye no eno mu no wode hu no tenene ni ane dibon yani anya religion, anya Islam, anya Christianity, anya Judaism. Nemo no, the life and death no will create you know. Life no, and then wabra bone die, then the death no, and the dobeko destination, not the religion. But what you say? What say? To Allah is your return altogether. You being a Jew, you being a Christian, you being a Muslim, to Allah, to Allah is your return, all of you. To Allah is your return. That is why he says, he has prescribed a method and a law for each of the religions here, or no Allah de bayen. So raise up, so raise to the good. Said Yabaya, Wobehunu, Telenia, a woman. Because according to the scripture, he gave us those faith to test us. This Allah don't know future, my brother. To Allah is your return altogether, and he will then inform you concerning that over which you used to differ. Etimudu no wa, aho no be ka tell say krachi, amen kan kire wo. Enye Islam, ena edo be ko heaven o. Me ka kire wo. Islam no na wo mu no. Abrabofo na wo boye ntimi mfa wo ma me nkyai. De wono wo ye Jew ni na na se wo ye Christo ni na wo condemn no. Na brabo no na ede na ba me nkyai no. Wo na wo de wo to Islam so no ntumi amfa wo ameduru ho. This is your God. This is the God that you're talking. This is the God you are fighting for. And there are some people, if they catch Sankofa in anywhere Italy here, they will. Minim said the American impo. I don't know if they will swallow me or. And I say, open to me bimpa. And at that moment in Anka, they will break me into pieces. Brah, you killing me, that it will not take you to heaven. No. If that your fucking heaven exists, let me tell you, you killing Sankofa will never take you to that heaven. You being a Muslim, you fighting for Allah will never take you to heaven. Because this your Allah don't know future. He don't know who is going to heaven. That is why, according to your own prophet, Commissioner Muhammad or say, Baby, I want to because Allah no when nim no aka kire no. Temana Muhammad tiase no. Baby, I will obekon onim. Esense Allah ni mpo na onim no waka kire no. Enti Muhammad ya brabo na obo ye no. Ekopum mera owu ye no. Emu ho no na Allah ehunu baby Muhammad beko. Enti Muhammad wo obonsam jema obede wa hunu. Alana Muhammad, Allah amana vanish. Said your man, Jesus, according to Mutramador books, no vanish. Nibusamu. Alana Allah, Muhammad vanish. Now Oma Muhammad wui because Muhammad, you know, where you nipa. And was so many woo. Wa mena ngua enya de se wo be hunu baby odini begina. Eye wuo no ena wo wi a wakọ yi ni TV ni de asi wo wi a na wa press Muhammad na fe Muhammad ya bra baba komcheni Muhammad ya bra baba oh Muhammad kura abra okọ keba okofa jiu ni bi ababa wa bi wo kun na busuafo nyina na wo fa ababa wa no ekwen ofa so ware ne kura ne mfa kwam enam so kura ma baya na ma ne na ma eye poison na ni di ma poison ni di ni ko wuom Muhammad ikura me hwe na bra bokura ro wo kosi akura bi asiwa at the age of 6 years wonya 9 years na wokodwa mu abra o dwam nyina no na akura ni di abro wo mfutrum adabi Muhammad abra bon so ni obekọ bo nsam jem say ya na Allah aye o because oni mu da ache hey abuziafo mo ma fa munzia wate wo de ma me fa number ne nto so kakra bi be some few seconds bi some few minutes bi na me se bi a ye benya ye nua Muslim bi amana beche abechire bu dia ma ye dia eza dia ene dia confusion aye basa Allah the all knowing but hey muoni now why if your God can create different faiths just to test mankind na owie ya waka kire wo say wo faith ne nko na de wo kwa heaven na wadi atomu dia and you know you have a problem my brother. If Allah can create, if Allah can give us all these millions of faith ewo we see na owie ya abakatra o say Islam nko na wo tu so wa bra Islam na nkasa kura no ono nkasa onni didie wom the leader no na odimonim no kura no ono Allah na kura ni didie wonimu entina wo ma ni huye no enu entina wo ma ni huye no on say according to mubusu no Jesus the wa me na enwo according to mubusu no monso mo ditum say Jesus ba on say Jesus wa me na enwo esan say book ni mo no yatre ni say Allah created life and death to test mankind inti and Jesus yenwo no what share wo book ni say bon kan Jesus no woko obesan ba na waba bewu edi wo twa Jesus yo ma woni na wai menua sirawa book no wo kaya eya ma dene no why ma dene no a eda wutiri mu no emra seb no wo kana ho wo de kai say Quran sura 5 no ayat number 48 na mekenka ye no kai ni nyina si na tena se wie na bu hu aten na bu hu aten rasasu me de Jesus de menini ni yasem o because menini ni twaka bia me de Jesus de menini ni twaka bia eye book ya ya kenkan mu asem no ena esense wo mu binti ena me de ne ye mfato ho book na ya kan mu asem no wo mu bi eno nti na me de ne ye mfato ho enti Jesus no ala manangu enti esense na ala ni we say Jesus dear when you ne daache Jesus when you Jesus daache ba obani nyina no according to the Quran wa ma ya kan wo book ni mo say wa ye pure son ma me so bluetooth yeah miniam wo de gina so mere kakra bi ma me connect wa ma bluetooth no why said ye be ya ye beto nkan yi.
The Bluetooth is connected successfully.
Me ba che ti o.
Hello, Sankofa, akwara
connect pa.
Sisi akwara me ba so, me ba ya na wo so be pompo no na someone na wampo. Utie.
Me ti o.
What who say? Sankofa, what say according to Quran na mu kura ka say, wo so okra bia be ka wo he, so ati ase. So okra bia be ka wo he, ase Jesus Christ so mo so wo musia me fa no ko soro. So ati ase. Nti wono no on say Sankofa ba bi na ka na o say aya na Sankofa ye entiase kura.
Enye ye oti ase enye.
What who say according to Quran no chapter 10 verse 99 no chance yankopon na mo be disbeliever or na mo be believer
ja
so as da bia sankofa ye nua mo kramo fo you da mo nyina preach say amafo mmagya ne kramo so no for the sankofa me megye wan ne me ma agye ne mfa because of no book wa ono say yankopon na mo be kramo ni o paro ma why disbeliever adenti a ye da so preach say obi so o me kramo ni
Ayasem so mo ma dwene nko ho ba bia wo adwene na koduru no o mo adwene ni nya
wo say thank you wo say ne ye sheki ba ko na o ka kire madam fo ba ko say ye na djuma na o ka jema o ba bia ahuma da fa ne bofu na madam bi sa ne wo say sinya na tofo wo say that wo say o fa Christian ya tofo aboji te ko na bi sa ne say sinya mo se mo fa Christian for that wo say Christian no ba be kan la ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah me ka sana adenti ayemo ka mun ka Isa Rasulullah je wasella na me si yo se na de amaya de yame shiramu because of no Sankofa e ma tie for frɛ so I afrɛ for frɛ because of no easy in some way na nkasa na odwon wa me menti ase
asem story ya da
se be da se me program ba
mate stone shatter na yete ne nka no awusuafo said ye medi ka kan ye no me pese video ne ba wa bebere a short message me say Allah is it true say all knowing and answer false ma prove me point wo Quran nim say o ye kremoni na ukuta Quran no baby abekọ akoduru bia ya kire book no Allah is all knowing cancel no natural no Allah is make it simple. Allah is unknowing of all things. Can I say? Allah is unknowing of all things. Man can Allah is knowing. Allah is all knowing. Name woman can say Allah is not all knowing. Can I say? because Allah will name what the enemy. Allah two hello. Yeah, Minia.
No shake you are. Madam is shake you are.
Okay.
Madam is shake. I'm not all you come with you by a friend with you down.
Your friend is saying.
With you down.
You tea down.
Yeah.
Now, some my own say, what free swoop.
Eh?
What free so
Oh, Johnny.
What Johnny?
Johnny.
Now one say I know one. Now one say
Johnny, me train me I just me the can you find that.
no, Debbie, one who say I know one.
Can't you answer?
Me dina so dia me dina so friend.
You see me back there. Okay, Mr. Madam, I'm maybe for some go fire with Johnny.
Azewo.
You are very dear. Which is our I'm saying, yeah, Miss Fernache.
Try me dina so.
Yeah, me did drop Miss Fernache. Yeah, I know Johnny Cop. I only move that.
Only we pa.
I know me I was 6 me by us for him, but we are so the man our friend, my many are sorry, why? Oh, yeah, sorry, right. Okay, bye. Bye.
Okay, bye. Abusiafo. Shake say okwaya so nti. The American say rasasu. Wo de ya na utie video no a obobo questions no a. O verses na me de ba no busa no. Busan say Allah all knowing. Adenti na waka no book ni mu say we create life and death purposely to test mankind to see say yemu wan na ye papa. And no Emma Allah eliminating and all knowing no. And can you put the boy already? But the man needing life and death. Can you say he want to know which of us is the best. So is he all knowing? No. That is the answer. Madam say. Oh, Ambrose, and you know, I did attempt to say yabre. Ebia rasasun wo bedi na tena media di atam di ase media abre. Udi mi atema na wa frame. Opa owie no oye programmer. On frame na won kan kire mi say mi case na me be present ye no. Me present no on the platform no so. Met me be present the case na kama e dia ma no. Na afa wayi anu am ye he. Ade ba ko a ya na metena se na medwene ye nuanom no ho a menti ase ne say we go to a verse from their book, then they will bring another verse from the same book to disprove the verse in the same book. Meaning there are some verses in the book which doesn't sound well. It doesn't sound well for them. So they will bring the better one to disprove what you have brought out. Pamchamati asiye. Medamasi, medibesia. And I will from your best nation. Bye bye.